Hey everybody, welcome back. I have another package here. I'm pretty sure you can guess if you've seen my other videos what's in here. I'm like super addicted to these stamps and stuff. Okay. I didn't know it was going to be this easy. I brought my tools. In the last video, she sent me this. It's a little pair of glasses. It's a little ring. It's so cute. So I had to wear it during this because, yeah, why not? All right, so let's pull, I don't know, should I do it one by one thing or the whole thing? All right, let's start with this. Okay. Oh. Some little more flower post stickers. Ah, yes. I think this is the, like, mermaid one or something. I don't know, I love them. The little stickers that you use to attach the seal. Oh, I think that got stuck inside of there. Okay. Then we have these. These are metallic pins that they're rose gold, gold, and silver that you can mark onto the seals. Some more wax. I think they say the names on them, but I had to get some more wax because I'm using it all up. Oh, okay. This one is so pretty. I love the shimmer of it. Okay, that's a letter. And she always does it so nicely like this, so you can literally reuse these. We'll open that in a second. Oh, this is, did I order? Oh, I did order a seal. Yeah, this must be the doily one. Yay. Super doily. Okay. Okay. So, I ordered 3 packs of these, so. And this is the beige one that she's been doing things with on her Instagram. Some more of the clear wax. This is as a bonus because I don't think I put that on there. This is the Crimson and Clover. That literally made me sing that song when I saw it. All right, and then that's another little shimmery one. So that's it for that. Came in a new mailer this time, so that's kind of cool. And then we've got this. I don't know what's in here, but let's give it a go. Oh, I don't want to cut the string or anything. I brought tools this time just in case. I guess we're gonna have to. Let's see. So we've got some, looks like a ship and then a flower. Oh, okay. Old Days sticker stamp. Okay. Oh, maybe that was the art post. Goofy. I don't know. They don't really say. I know. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I ordered that. This envelope is so crazy. It's like really thick. Anyway, so more stickers. Because I love the stickers. And so yeah, that was StrictlyRita.com. Check her out on Instagram too. I love her. Her packaging is impeccable, and her reels and videos are great to watch her create all her little seals. So just give her a look and show her some love. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.